Take a look at this. It is ultra unique. This is 1 in 1,000. This is a TRX 2022 Sandblast Edition. Let's take a closer look because I absolutely love this color. Personally, it's my favorite. In addition to this really awesome color, let's take a look at the sticker package that comes with this. I think it's fantastic. I love how the TRX shines through there, and it's that beige color. Beige, that's probably not, I should say sand. Sand sounds way cooler, because it is. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, we've got this really awesome ice stitching that you see everywhere here. It's on the steering wheel. We've got the terrain colored badge right here, which I absolutely love because it says some really things like awesome things like 702 horsepower. It even tells you the boost. 11 pounds of boost is pretty nice because we've got the Gen 1 Raptor in this color and it has about 8 pounds of boost. And so, but it's 100 horsepower less too. Something else that you'll find in this one is that comes with this is all of these accents. It's the what they call the carbon fiber accents. It doesn't quite look like your traditional carbon fiber, but it sure looks sharp. And who can forget this favorite feature? Launch control. That's why you buy this one. So let's take a look at the engine. There's not a lot of differences in this besides the color, but personally, to have a 1 in 1,000 and that particular color is awesome. Let's take a look at under the hood. We're actually going to be quiet here because we've got customers in here. This is the Finley Dodge Ram Jeep store in Post Falls, Idaho, and they let us climb all over this. They just got this in. These are just showing up across the country. Let's pop the hood on this one. So, I'm not going to say standard because this is a supercharged TRX, so you cannot say standard, but it's what you'd find in the rest of them. But this is something I really love. Let's pop this up. I both love and hate this because it shows a picture of a T-Rex eating a raptor. And I own a raptor, but it's a Gen 1 raptor, so it's a little different, but it is pretty fun. I gotta give those guys a lot of credit. Let's pop this back down. Close the hood. Check out the rims that come on this one too. Beadlock capable, and I think they look sharp. That black color looks really good. Don't you think? I think it looks wonderful. I love the way that this color changes the feel of this truck. And I like TRX in all its colors, but I just think this one's ultra special. Have a look at these babies right here because this actually is exclusive. Not the beadlock capable, but the beadlock capable in this blacked out. You can order these on the standard TRX. Again, standard TRX is a little bit of an understatement, isn't it? But they have a silver outline. I love these blacked out. I think it goes really well with this terrain color. This Sandblast Edition just looks so awesome. Nice, nice. So I was looking around for all the carbon fiber, and here's what I found. We've got it on the dash right here. We've got it on the cup holder. I mean, who doesn't want fancy carbon fiber cup holder? That's what I'm talking about. We got it over here. We've also got it on the doors here, and bottom of the steering wheel here. There's a lot. That's enough carbon fiber that you notice it, right? It's not like they just slapped on a piece, but they didn't overkill it either with this package. So I am digging this one. Let's turn on the lights and go outside and do one more rock around. Let's just do one more, because why not? This is amazing. this walk around. We're trying to be a little quiet. Normally we bring the energy on this one, and trust me, it's in there, but we got customers. This, again, is a 2022 1 of 1000 TRX Sandblast Edition. It's Uncle Jake from Motors and Mischiefs. We're gonna take you out with the fist bump of friendship. Check out some brother stuff. Give us a thumbs up if you love this color. You've gotta give us a thumbs up. We'll see you later. Bow.